In the last little while, I've been talking about stuff that I'm working on, and I did a video that may debut today, which is the 26th of May, on my books coming out. And before I left to come to the studio today, my package arrived. It wasn't supposed to arrive until Thursday, so I am unboxing, unpackaging my books. Now this camera does some really crazy stuff, so I'm going to stop and start over. So I'll just open it up. Oh my word. I put in an order for a couple of books that were not supposed to come till next week Friday. They are all here. They're all here. Oh my gosh. So this one is Why I'm Called Mama Sam. I have kids' books that I work on. So this one is one of my kids' books. Actually, all of the kids' books are here. And these ones they're all poems that I've done. And these ones are Jelani and McKenna. They're part of my Watoto Smart Start kids' books. And these are my Solace books. I am so proud of these. Now this one, okay, I understand. This one is my coloring book. It's a book of mandalas and coloring pages and puzzles. Why? Because I was never allowed to color as a child. So I created these coloring books, this coloring book specifically for that. Yeah, there are a lot of pages. There are a lot of pages. But I was making puzzles years and years ago, and I never really did anything with them. They're in here. And this is the reflection journal that I have, that I've been working on, and I'm going to be doing the audio for that shortly. But this is the Solace series. I have another book that I'm working on at the present time, but see, the colors are soft. This is because I think that we have a lot of stuff that needs to be calmed. So these colors are calming so that you can find solace. So this is the stuff I've been working on. So this is the stuff I've been working on. The most I had it so that I was scheduled to come to the studio today. I went out the door and the stuff was waiting there for me. I just put the orders in for the big book like 2 days ago. So it was not supposed to arrive for another week. I am so beyond, I have no words, but this is what I was doing. These are the books I was working on, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. This is what I was doing. I can't tell you how I feel right now. I can't tell you how I feel. I also have an author copy of my poetry book that's not in this pile, but I am beyond ecstatic.